Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we are unboxing a grinder from Milwaukee and we are ready to unbox it. So let's go to that. So this is the Milwaukee FUEL M18, the 115XB model. Zoe is ready to open the box.
Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I was struggling there. I'm telling you from now guys, it's a bit heavy. Whoops. That was only a piece of cardboard. Look at this. It comes in its bag.
Yep.
So you can put your bits and bobs in here. It's a good quality zip. Look at this. We've got our safety rules, our instructions. We have a battery charger with it.
This is the fast charging.
Yes.
Yep.
We have our battery. This is quite heavy. I need my little assistance here. It comes with a big battery, the 5 amp one.
So 5 amp battery.
Easy. We've got our guard, I nearly said protector. We've got our handle. Oh, I don't think that belongs there. I like the grip of this.
Yep.
That's nice. Shock absorbing.
Yep.
We've got our
Heavy duty.
Yeah, it looks quite good quality, this actually.
Yep. Heavy duty key. We're gonna see what is that.
We will find out what that is. And let's go to the main part now. I don't think I need the bag anymore. Oh, now I get it, guys. I know what it is. I've already figured it out.
So this is an air filter.
Yes, it's the air filter. You have a spare. I would think that just pops on and pops off. Yes, it does, but not with my nails. And this is the main.
So, on this model, you have, obviously we're gonna show you, but you have the rapid stop protection. So if you disengage, it's gonna stop completely. It's a brushless motor, as you see. The battery has 1 bar.
Okay, now I get it. And it just comes off.
Comes off.
And you just chuck it on the floor because...
Alright, so let's install
the guard.
The guard. So for this bracket here, it has a button as we saw before that you press. Let me show you. And it turns and you hear clicks as it goes to the position.
And it's clicked.
And it's clicked that it's done.
Yeah, it's locked in place.
So now
let's put this.
You have the kid.
Oh, just chuck it everywhere. Doesn't matter. This goes this way.
Yep. And then
we need
you take a disc.
Yes. It's easier that way. Just one, chuck it everywhere. I would think it goes like this.
Yeah. Okay.
That. I need this little baby.
Here is the part that you press the button on the back.
Yeah, I was just putting it on by hand, and then I press this little button. You see it?
Yeah.
This button.
Yeah.
I'll hold it, and I put this, and
You tight. That's it.
and I leave it. And I would think,
Yeah, the disc is quite, it's for metal. All right, let's install
the handle,
the handle.
you can put it either way, depends where you want, like
Yeah, but
on
it
that
depends
side.
how you use the grinder.
It depends how you use it.
Yeah, so put it on this
I
side.
would think this side. You just screw it on. Easy.
And
Oh, yes.
here comes the moment of truth. Let's see. Let's see if it has, the battery has enough
I'm trying with one hand.
power to start the device.
Oh, God.
So,
Alert. It's going to be noisy.
let's see how it operates.
Fast.
So, you saw that the device free running with no load, it's 8500 RPM, but you saw that it has the rapid stop. So if Zoe put it to run for a while and just let go, you will see that the disc is going to stop completely in seconds. They say 2 seconds.
Let's see if that's correct. Yes.
So just in case something goes wrong, you have the protection that is gonna stop spinning, except the weight of it, which is quite heavy.
It is quite heavy, but when I lifted it up without the handle, I found it obviously harder. Because of the handle, and it is a good grip, like it's not slipping or sliding in my hand. You can see I'm moving that. I'm trying to twist my hand on it and it's gripped on. And you hold it obviously when you grind and things like this. It kind of even outs the weight. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not the strongest person, but
The handle, I believe it's...
the handle really, really helps. The grip of it really, really helps. It's not sliding.
Yeah.
It's very comfy.
Textured rubber.
Yes, it is. It gives you a good grip.
Yeah.
So it's not sliding in your hands. Yes, it is.
So in comparison...
How much is it? I nearly said 3 kilos. 2.7 kilos.
Yes.
So it's not that bad. And you've got good grip all the way around.
Yeah. So in comparison to the Dewalt grinder from last week, which you can see on the video, you see that it doesn't have that guard on the bottom that the Dewalt had, but you have a very nice textured grip, and you have this extra thing
that
you
just
put, or you have this guard
that is just clips on.
you put on the lip up there, and then you push it in from the, let me show you guys because I'm not showing, I'm just
sorry guys.
saying. So Zoe has to do it, I hold the camera. So now, even if you have sparks, if you cut in a steel or something,
it gives you that extra...
the extra lip throws all the debris away. Always a disclaimer, the grinder is quite a dangerous device if you don't use it correctly. So just a disclaimer, be careful when you use the device, and always the steel
the steel guard.
guard.
You just
Yeah.
Literally.
Always
that?
have this. Never use the device without that.
Oh yeah. You literally, when you want to take this off, obviously, I'm on the wrong angle now. Never mind. Ooh, that was my nail. Just literally push this.
Yeah, and it comes out.
Yeah. This is brand new.
Yeah. And never do that Zoe did. Never touch the disc, always for safety. Never touch or assemble the disc
With the battery on.
with the battery on.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah. But I was just trying to show them
Yes.
that, and I accidentally touched the disc.
Always remove the battery and do whatever adjustments or whatever you need to do on the device.
Yeah, and the battery is really easy to click off. You literally just...
Yep. Okay, so with no further doing, let's put the battery to see how fast it's gonna charge, and we're gonna put just a timer and show you how fast it's gonna charge it. And I'm gonna do some tests with steel and cut some steel bars, and we're gonna go to the conclusion. So guys, we're gonna test the Milwaukee. We're gonna cut some aluminum and we're gonna cut some stainless steel and see how good is the rapid stop and how fast it's gonna cut it. And of course, we're gonna check how much battery we left after the cut. So let's go to the test. So let's go and do our first test. We're gonna cut aluminum and let's see how good it's gonna cut. And the emergency rapid stop, it stopped the blade just in case something went wrong. So we got this piece of metal, not bad. Now let's try to cut a stainless steel bolt and see how it goes with that. You see? Very handy and very nice cut, very fast. So guys, this is a Milwaukee M18 VX. Very powerful device, very handy, the rapid stop.
Yes, it is.
There it is. Beautiful design, cushion here on the grip. I'm very happy with the device, I'm gonna tell you the truth.
They have done a good job making this.
Yeah.
They honestly have, and it is very, very easy to operate. And I'm saying that as like, I'm not very familiar with grinders, and I find it very good, very easy to use.
So if you find this device in front of you, or if you want to buy the version 2, which again, it's a premium quality, go for it, because it's a very, very, very strong device and safety first. So you have all the correct material to make your job. The battery is lasting long. Of course, if you cut in a very hard steel, it might drain the battery fast.
Yes, it will consume more if you work in
keep in mind,
hard, yeah.
If you have a spare battery from your drill or for something like that.
Yeah, you can just swap them around and keep working. Yeah, you absolutely can.
And of course, Zoe asked me about the charger, why it has a second hole.
Yes, I did.
And it has a second hole on the top, so you can charge your 12-volt batteries. And you can use all your tools. And of course, we saw this, which is nice. You have the filter here. Because you have a brushless motor, you have your filter here. You can just interchange them. And of course, you can clean them with a high pressure air. Thank you very much for watching. Please share this video with your friends and family and whoever you think wants to see this, because it helps the channel. Yeah. And of course, we give you our opinion about the device. We just test and see, and we recommend or not the device. So have a great evening and see you in the next video. I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe. Like and subscribe. See ya.
Bye.